Cardano has seen a huge surge in activity. Stacks, the Bitcoin Layer 2, is about to break all-time highs, and this DeFi protocol has become the number 3 top ranked by TVL in record time. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. We're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. What about airdrops? Check the number of airdrops we've received until now. Add to that the original Celestia airdrop and more coming. We've achieved all of this by giving many deep research diversified calls. Check out our numbers in December. We now plan to reallocate profits to low caps, diversify to new sectors, get bigger airdrops, catch latest trends like Bitcoin and linear inscriptions, and DCA during market flushes. We've also recently introduced a yearly subscription on Patreon. If you subscribe to our yearly plan, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. The latest report from Messari shows Cardano's ecosystem has witnessed significant growth in the last quarter, marked by a surge in total value locked and stablecoin value locked, alongside advancements in DeFi projects and technologies. In the DeFi ecosystem, Cardano's TVL skyrocketed, surging by 166% quarter on quarter to reach a new all-time high. Notably, the network stablecoin value locked also saw a substantial increase of 37% quarter on quarter. This surge in liquidity increased Cardano's TVL rankings from 34th to 11th over the course of the year, highlighting its growing prominence in the crypto space. MinSwap, an automated market maker, retained its position as the most popular dApp on Cardano, witnessing a significant increase in transactional activity, particularly in December. Additionally, newer entrants like Indigo emerged as significant players, surpassing MinSwap and TVL during Q4. Indigo's growth, which outpaced MinSwap's, underscores the dynamic nature of Cardano's DeFi landscape. Furthermore, Cardano's partner chains, including the upcoming Midnight sidechain, promise to revolutionize data protection using zero-knowledge cryptography. Midnight's features, such as selective data disclosure and regulatory compliance, offer promising use cases bringing DeFi principles with traditional financial requirements. Cardano's native token ADA has been in an upward trend since the third week of October. The token has been consistently testing the upper Bollinger Band, while its fluctuations have remained above the SMA. This indicates that ADA has been performing exceptionally well and remained consistently above average. Our partners at Serenity Shield are a decentralized application platform that offer an innovative, revolutionary approach to crypto inheritance and security storage solutions for our most sensitive data. By employing privacy by design, Serenity Shield's patent-pending Strongbox dApp technology allows users to 1. Store, preserve, and restore their data in case of loss of access to their sensitive information. This can be anything from wallet access and digital assets to highly confidential information and other related documents. And secondly, to transfer the ownership through the secure inheritance of this information to specifically elected successors, such as heirs, in the case of an accident or death of the user. Search is the native utility token created to enable the retrieval of sensitive information from a user's Strongbox. Serenity Shield also just announced on X that Binance has released a comprehensive guide on how to buy our token. This recognition from one of the leading exchanges in crypto is a testament to the strength and potential of Serenity Shield. Check out Serenity Shield and their amazing Strongbox with link down below. STX, the native token of the Stacks blockchain focused on smart contracts for Bitcoin, has witnessed a remarkable surge in the past 24 hours. Its price has skyrocketed over 26%, currently trading at around $2.72. The fast-moving price could be attributed to a few things, including increased DeFi activity. Recent weeks have seen a rise in DeFi activity on the Stacks blockchain, with platforms like Arcadi and STX Swap attracting growing user bases. In addition to that, the highly anticipated launch of Stacks 2.0, promising faster transactions and lower fees, is scheduled for Q1 2024. Pre-launch excitement could be driving up STX prices in anticipation of its potential impact. There's also the underlying Bitcoin price movement. As Bitcoin enjoys a recent price recovery, some investors might be looking for altcoins with potential synergy, like STX, which bridges Bitcoin with smart contracts. And on top of that, recent partnerships with Chainlink and Stacks' accelerated growth portfolio of startups might be fostering investor confidence and fueling the uptrend. For traders, a technical analysis of the STX chart reveals key resistance levels to watch for are $2.90. A break above could signal further bullish momentum. Crucial support levels lie at around $1.57, a breakdown of which could indicate a potential price correction. However, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are currently sloping upward, suggesting a bullish overall trend. RNDr, the token of the distributed GPU rendering network built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, announced last year that it will be moving to Solana. The RNDr team cited the high transaction fees in Ethereum and the fact that Solana is faster and cheaper as the reason for their decision to switch to Solana. Since then, Coinbase has announced it will relist the new RNDr Solana version soon, and whales have been accumulating. RNDr is up 15% in the last week and 40% in the last month alone. Render's goal is aiming to connect artists and studios in need of GPU compute power, with mining partners willing to rent their GPU capabilities out. Because of this, Render has been put into the data and AI category of crypto, which has been taking off as well. The whale's investment in Render underscores a belief in the future of digital content creation powered by blockchain technology. Liquid restaking platform EigenLayer has become the third largest protocol in decentralized finance, following $4.3 billion of fresh inflows over the past 10 days, bringing its TVL to over $7 billion. The uptick in inflows comes after EigenLayer moved its staking cap on February 5th, a decision that was designed to invite organic demand, according to a recent blog post. Data from DeFi Llama shows that there's now 469,000 wrapped Ether tokens worth $1.9 billion locked on the protocol, with a further $2.7 billion worth of staked Ether. The rise in EigenLayer's total value locked is mirrored in a wider surge across the DeFi sector, with the total amount of capital locked in DeFi protocols sitting at $71.2 billion, which is the highest point since June 2022, and around double the total during October's low of $36.8 billion. Restaking has played a major part in the rise. Capital on liquid restaking platform Ether.fi has increased by 406% to $1.19 billion in the past 30 days, while Puffer Finance has experienced a 79% hike in the past week alone. TVL across liquid restaking protocols, including EigenLayer, is now $10 billion, and in December it was just $350 million according to DeFi Llama. Restaking is a method of earning an additional yield on ETH that is already staked on the main Ethereum blockchain. Investors staking Ether on Lido can currently generate an additional yield of 3.7%, and EigenLayer allows those investors to restake the Ether for more rewards. Bitcoin has officially reached the $1 trillion market cap again as it crosses past 52K this morning. And while the SEC has approved a Bitcoin ETF, Gary Gensler is still not a fan of Bitcoin and crypto, but luckily our man Joe on CNBC actually pushed back against Gary Gensler's nonsense in a recent interview.
You've heard Jamie Dimon say that he would close it down, that basically Bitcoin is... You've seen the comments, right? It's not just that he closed it down, that he would say it's used by drug dealers and used by folks who are doing all sorts of illicit and terrible things. There's very few things that trade today that people talk about like that. Now, there are obviously frauds and things that happen, but maybe not like this.
Like the dollar is like 100 times more.
Well, I know that's your perspective, but I'm just I'm curious how you think about that.
That's true, though. This is how much has been money laundered with Bitcoin. This is how much. This is Bitcoin. This is dollar.
Yes, Joe. But look, here's the Jamie Dimon quote. The only true use case for it is for criminals, drug traffickers, money laundering, and tax avoidance. I know, but we have a guest.
That's his opinion.
We have a guest, Joe. What is your opinion?
That's why people think it has inherent value.
So you trust it more than an Oracle database, or you trust it more
trust
than
it more than a lot of the Bitcoin bulls say they trust it a lot more than the central bank that enables the fiscal authorities to spend money to the tune of $33 trillion.
That's it for Altcoin Buzzy's update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.